Hello once again. Ako po si Tato Malay at welcome to the program Kamalayan. At siguro, nabitin kayo sa kwento ko, no? Paano nga ba nangyari? Ano nga ba nangyari sa buhay ko? Kasi sabi ko nga, hindi ako nakapag-aral. Hindi ako nag-aral talaga. Sinadya kong hindi ako mag-aral dahil talagang, ewan ko, wala akong interest mag-aral eh. But yung mga bata nakikinig sa akin, eto, huwag niyong sundin yung ginawa ko. But I will share with you what happened to me. But then again, I will not say that you should follow exactly what I did. Mag-aral kayo kasi kailangan niyo yan. Lalo na ang mga kung natin ngayon, panahon ngayon, no, na talagang hindi ka graduate, hindi ka kukunin ng mga opisina. So, what happened to me? Sabi ko nga, nung nakaraan, na-meet ko yung friend ko na summa cum laude graduate and he told me, wag mo na balikan yung mga pinag-aralan o yung mga librong pinababasa sa iyo noon. Go to the bookstores and look for the newest books that you can find. And so, yun ang ginawa ko. So, anong ginawa ko ngayon? Nung nandun ako sa bookstore, binili ko yung mga libro na gusto kong basahin. Yung may interest ako. At ang dami kong binili. For the first time, tuwang-tuwa ang tatay ko dahil yung pera na hinihingi ko sa kanya, hindi ko na inuubos sa pag-inom ng beer, kundi para sa mga libro. So, sabi niya, sige, kahit gano'ng karami ang librong gusto mong bilhin, gano'ng kamahal yan, bilhin mo, basta binabasa mo yan. Oh, opo. So, I started reading a lot of books. And sabi ko nga, dun sa last episode, there was something that happened in my life. I discovered that I became a very, I would say, different person in terms of how I lived my life from then on. All right? How did that happen? In the books that I read, I learned two intelligences, which I never learned in school. What were they? Number one was interpersonal intelligence. Kung paano ka makitungo sa ibang tao. Makisama. Paano ka ano tawag doon? Yung parang makihalubilo na maganda. Kasi kadalasan sa mga kumpanya, sa mga opisina, gusto nila yung taong kailangan yung mahusay makisama, no? Yung madaling dalhin, sabi nga. And another intelligence which I learned was what we call intrapersonal intelligence. Intra, yung isa, interpersonal. Intra is within. I learned or I tried to study who I am. Doon ko nakita ang mga mali sa buhay ko. Doon ko nakita ang mga palpak na nangyari sa akin. And so, basically, what happened was, I tried to be a master of who I am, what I wanted in life. In other words, naging na sa akin yan, naging priority. Sino ba ako? Ano ba ang gusto kong mangyari? Ano ang gusto kong gawin sa aking buhay? And one time, ito ngayon, so ganoon na ang nangyari sa buhay ko. One time, dinalo ko yung friend ko sa kanyang opisina. Kung saan ako nag-apply na hindi ako tinanggap. So, nag-uusap kami. Hindi ko alam na yung boss nila, nakikinig pala sa kabilang kwarto. Pinakikinggan yung usapan namin. And during that time, lumapit siya sa akin. Sabi niya, I like what I'm hearing from you. You should work for us. Sabi ko, work for you? Hindi nga ninyo ako tinanggap dahil bagsak ako sa IQ test nyo. No. I like your ideas. You have to work for us. Sabi ko, okay, so what do I do? He created a new department for me. A big department. Yung friend ko, naging under ko. Imagine, siya yung original na doon. Ngayon, ako yung boss niya. And so what happened was, I actually became so good in what I was doing, I was given the perks that I wanted, a car, a big salary, travel abroad, and so many other things, mga bonuses, whatever. And even to the point na pinapirate na ako ng ibang companies. So what happened in my life? Bakit ako from someone who didn't study at all, biglang eto na, in demand. So what happened to me was, because of those intelligences, I learned exactly who I am. And aside from them, I learned a lot of what we call now universal laws and principles. Ito ang mga prinsipyo na kung saan pag ginamit mo ay makaka-effect, magkakaroon ng effect sa iyong consciousness or sa kamalayan. And that is exactly how everything started for me in terms of what I am now sharing with you, which is consciousness or kamalayan. So, with this thing that I am now sharing with you, you will learn more about these universal principles that I have learned or mastered throughout those years when I started actually reading all those books, and how my kamalayan worked for me for the better. So in other words, what I am now trying to make you be aware of is that eto ang mga bagay-bagay na hindi tinuro sa atin sa eskwelahan. Kasi nga, sabi ko sa inyo, wala akong natutunan talaga nung nag-aaral ako eh. So tapos biglang eto na, from out of the blue, or out from nowhere, in demand in terms of the kind of knowledge and thinking that I had, or I was having during that time. And so, all these things I will share with you as to how everything would work for your advantage, to your advantage. So, stick around, listen to the next episode, wherein I will share with you now the universal principles that have really worked for me. Ito po si Tato Maalay, nagsasabi sa inyo, sana ay nagugustuhan ninyo ang aking sineshare sa inyo, at sa susunod na episode, magkita-kita tayo uli. Thank you.